RDX English Learning.
Excuse me, how can I get to Times Square?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn right.
Is the museum nearby?
Yes, it's about a 5-minute walk.
Can I walk there or should I take a taxi?
Walking is easier from here.
Which way is the subway station?
It's right across the street.
Am I going in the right direction?
Yes, just keep going straight.
How far is Central Park from here?
About 10 minutes by car.
Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, it's next to the coffee shop.
Can you show me on the map?
Sure, it's right here.
Do I need to cross the bridge?
No, turn left before the bridge.
Is it safe to walk at night?
Yes, it's a busy area.
Which exit should I take?
Take exit 4.
Is the restaurant on this street?
Yes, halfway down on the right.
How long will it take to get there?
Around 15 minutes.
Should I take the subway or bus?
The subway is faster.
Is this the fastest route?
Yes, it avoids traffic.
Do I turn left at the signal?
Exactly, then go straight.
Is it uphill from here?
Just a little.
Can I rent a bike nearby?
Yes, there's a bike station ahead.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Sorry to bother you.
No problem at all.
Do you have any rooms available tonight?
Yes, we do.
How much is a single room per night?
It's $120 including tax.
Does the room include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Can I see the room first?
Of course.
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, throughout the hotel.
Is parking available?
Yes, it's free for guests.
What time is check-in?
Check-in starts at 3 p.m.
Can I book online?
Yes, through our website.
Is there a cancellation policy?
Free cancellation up to 24 hours.
Do you have a family room?
Yes, it fits 4 people.
Are pets allowed?
Yes, small pets are welcome.
Is the hotel near downtown?
Yes, just 5 minutes away.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, all major cards.
Can I extend my stay later?
Yes, if rooms are available.
Is room service available?
Yes, until 10 p.m.
Do rooms have air conditioning?
Yes, all rooms do.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, right around the corner.
Can you offer a discount?
We have a seasonal discount.
I'd like to book for 2 nights.
Sure, let me help you.
Thank you for the information.
My pleasure.
Hi, I'd like to check in.
May I see your ID, please?
I have a reservation under John Smith.
Yes, I found it.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Can I get a late checkout?
Yes, until 1 p.m.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 to 10 a.m.
Where is the elevator?
To your left.
Can I get an extra key?
Sure.
Is there a wake-up call service?
Yes, just let us know.
Can you store my luggage?
Yes, free of charge.
How do I use the room key?
Tap it on the sensor.
I'd like to check out now.
Certainly.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Can I get a receipt?
I'll print it for you.
Was minibar used?
Just 1 soda.
Any additional charges?
No, that's all.
Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, very much.
Can I leave a review?
We'd appreciate that.
Can you call me a taxi?
Right away.
Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
What are the must-see places here?
The City Museum and Riverwalk.
Is the museum open today?
Yes, until 6 p.m.
What's the entrance fee?
It's $15.
Are there guided tours?
Yes, every hour.
Which place is best for photos?
The observation deck.
Is it kid-friendly?
Yes, very much.
How long does the tour take?
About 2 hours.
Is it crowded today?
Not too bad.
Can I buy tickets online?
Yes, that's recommended.
Are there any free attractions?
Yes, the public park.
What time should I visit?
Early morning is best.
Is photography allowed?
Yes, without flash.
Is there parking nearby?
Yes, a paid lot.
Can seniors get a discount?
Yes, they can.
Is it accessible for wheelchairs?
Yes, fully accessible.
Are food stalls nearby?
Yes, plenty.
Is it safe for tourists?
Yes, very safe.
What do locals recommend?
The sunset viewpoint.
Can I visit in one day?
Yes, easily.
Sounds great.
You'll love it.
What's the best way to get around the city?
The subway is fast and affordable.
Where can I buy a bus ticket?
At the station or on the app.
Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it stops near City Hall.
How much is a subway ride?
It's $2.75 per ride.
Can I use a travel pass?
Yes, it works on buses and trains.
Are taxis expensive here?
They're reasonable for short trips.
Is Uber available?
Yes, very common.
How late does public transport run?
Until midnight, some lines run 24/7.
Is it safe to travel at night?
Yes, just stay in busy areas.
Where's the nearest taxi stand?
Right outside the station.
Can I rent a bike?
Yes, bike stations are everywhere.
Do buses accept cash?
Some do, but cards are better.
How long is the ride to the airport?
About 40 minutes.
Is there an airport shuttle?
Yes, every 30 minutes.
Can I track the bus online?
Yes, using the city app.
Are seats reserved?
No, it's first come, first served.
Do drivers speak English?
Most of them do.
Is traffic bad during rush hour?
Yes, especially in the evening.
Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome.
That helps a lot.
Glad to help.
What local food should I try?
You should try the street tacos.
Is the food spicy?
Some dishes are, but you can ask for mild.
Where can I find good local food?
Downtown has great restaurants.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, many places do.
What's popular for breakfast?
Pancakes and eggs are common.
Is tipping expected at restaurants?
Yes, usually 15 to 20%.
Can I get halal food here?
Yes, there are halal restaurants nearby.
Are food portions big?
Yes, portions are usually large.
What's a must-try dessert?
Cheesecake is very popular.
Is street food safe?
Yes, if it's from busy stalls.
Do restaurants close early?
Many stay open late.
Can I drink tap water?
Yes, it's safe.
Are there food festivals?
Yes, especially in summer.
Can I customize my order?
Of course.
Do I need a reservation?
For popular places, yes.
Is fast food common here?
Yes, it's everywhere.
What's a good local drink?
Fresh lemonade is popular.
Are prices reasonable?
Yes, for most places.
Sounds delicious.
You'll enjoy it.
Thanks for the food tips.
Anytime.
Where can I buy souvenirs?
Try the gift shops downtown.
Are prices negotiable?
Usually not in stores.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, all major cards.
Is tax included in the price?
No, tax is added at checkout.
Are there local markets?
Yes, open on weekends.
What's a popular souvenir?
Handmade crafts.
Is this made locally?
Yes, it's locally produced.
Can I get a discount?
There's a seasonal sale.
What time do shops close?
Around 9 p.m.
Do malls open on Sundays?
Yes, most do.
Is there duty-free shopping?
Yes, at the airport.
Can I return this item?
Within 30 days.
Is there a size exchange?
Yes, if CAGs are intact.
Do shops offer gift wrapping?
Some of them do.
Are prices higher downtown?
Slightly, yes.
Is this a good quality product?
Yes, very durable.
Where's the checkout counter?
Right over there.
Can I get a receipt?
Of course.
Happy shopping!
Thanks.
I found what I needed.
Great.
Is photography allowed here?
Yes, without flash.
Can I take pictures inside?
Only in certain areas.
Is tripod use allowed?
Not inside the building.
Can you take a photo of me?
Sure.
Is drone photography allowed?
No, it's restricted.
Are photos allowed for personal use?
Yes.
Can I post photos online?
Yes, that's fine.
Is there a photo fee?
No, it's free.
Where's the best photo spot?
Near the entrance.
Can I take selfies here?
Yes, absolutely.
Are photos allowed at night?
Yes, but be careful.
Can I film a short video?
Yes, for personal use.
Should I ask before photographing people?
Yes, it's polite.
Are signs posted about photography?
Yes, near the entrance.
Can I use flash outside?
Yes, outside is fine.
Is photography allowed in museums?
Some sections allow it.
Can I hire a photographer?
Yes, nearby services are available.
Are photos safe here?
Yes, just watch your belongings.
Thanks for clarifying.
No problem.
I appreciate it.
Anytime.
What's the weather like today?
Sunny and warm.
What's the best time to visit?
Spring and fall are best.
Does it rain often?
Not during summer.
Is winter very cold?
It can be chilly,
Should I carry an umbrella?
just in case.
Is it humid here?
Yes, in summer.
What should I wear today?
Light clothes and sunglasses.
Is it crowded in peak season?
Yes, very crowded.
Are prices higher in summer?
Yes, slightly.
Is it safe to travel during rain?
Yes, just be cautious.
Do I need sunscreen?
Definitely.
Are evenings cooler?
Yes, much cooler.
Is snow common?
Rarely.
Are there weather alerts?
Yes, check online.
Is spring windy?
Sometimes.
Do tours run year-round?
Most of them do.
Can weather affect travel plans?
Occasionally.
What's the hottest month?
July.
Good to know.
Glad it helps.
Thanks for the information.
You're welcome.
Is this area safe for tourists?
Yes, very safe.
What number do I call for emergencies?
Dial 911.
Where's the nearest police station?
2 blocks away.
Is it safe to walk at night?
In busy areas, yes.
What should I do if I lose my passport?
Contact your embassy.
Are pickpockets common?
Not really, but stay alert.
Where's the nearest hospital?
About 10 minutes away.
Do hospitals accept tourists?
Yes, of course.
Can I get travel insurance help?
Yes, at the clinic.
Are emergency services fast?
Very fast.
Is there a tourist helpline?
Yes, available 24/7.
Should I carry ID?
Yes, always.
Are taxis safe?
Licensed ones are safe.
What if I feel unsafe?
Go to a public place.
Can hotels help in emergencies?
Yes, they can.
Is medical care expensive?
It can be without insurance.
Are pharmacies nearby?
Yes, many.
Is English spoken in hospitals?
Yes.
Thanks for the safety tips.
You're welcome.
That's reassuring.
Glad to help.
Is tipping customary here?
Yes, it's expected.
How should I greet people?
A handshake works.
Is punctuality important?
Yes, very important.
Is casual clothing okay?
Yes, in most places.
Are people friendly to tourists?
Very friendly.
Is it okay to ask questions?
Absolutely.
Are there any taboos?
Avoid loud behavior.
Can I talk to strangers?
Yes, people are open.
Is public behavior strict?
Not too strict.
Are hand gestures okay?
Yes, but be respectful.
Is smoking allowed everywhere?
No, only designated areas.
Are service staff polite?
Very polite.
Is eye contact important?
Yes, it shows confidence.
Can I use my phone in public?
Yes, freely.
Is queuing common?
Yes, people line up.
Can I bargain?
Not in regular stores.
Is personal space respected?
Yes.
Are jokes acceptable?
Light humor is fine.
Good to know.
Glad it helps.
Thanks for explaining.
My pleasure.
I'd like to file a complaint.
Sure, how can I help?
My hotel room wasn't clean.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I lost my bag.
Let's report it.
The tour was delayed.
We apologize for the inconvenience.
Can I get a refund?
Let me check.
Where is the help desk?
Near the main entrance.
I was overcharged.
We'll look into it.
Can you assist tourists?
Yes, that's our job.
I need language assistance.
We have translators.
The guide was rude.
We'll take action.
I need emergency help.
Please follow me.
Is there a tourist office nearby?
Yes, across the street.
Can I make a written complaint?
Yes, please fill this form.
How long will it take?
Usually 24 hours.
Can I get a contact number?
Here you go.
Will I be updated?
Yes, by email.
Thanks for listening.
You're welcome.
I appreciate your help.
Happy to assist.
This was resolved quickly.
We're glad.
Have a good day.
You too.